next thing to talk about is how do we make money from content. I just realized that Lesotho is not on the monetization policy program. Because it's your fault. I believe that you guys will be blaming the government. How is the government? How many of you have been blaming the government? You see? For monetization policy to come to this country, it depends on the content creators in this country. The eagerness of the content creators in this country. I'll give you an example. In Ghana, we never had anything we call, like when you are a YouTuber, YouTube dedicates one person to speak to you every month. We never had that in Ghana until I reached 1 million subscribers. And when I reached 1 million subscribers, that's the first time YouTube gave me a strategic partner to talk to me every month. And I'm like, but all this while, why now? They're like, we didn't know we have content creators in Ghana. They know they are there, but they didn't know like we have that community. And the only proposal that I gave was, please, we have a lot of content creators, and if you are giving me a strategic partner, why don't you give everyone in this room a strategic partner? That's the reason why most creators in Ghana now have strategic partners which are their channels. So we can change the monetization policy by ourselves. If we start getting ourselves involved, work together as a team. See, competition is okay, but it has to be what? A healthy competition.